Hello, let's install your Gerber Elongated Undermount Soft Close Toilet Seat. The specific toilet seat item numbers that this video supports can be found in the title or description. First, make sure all components are included. You should have 2 plastic screws, 4 metal washers, 2 rubber pads, 2 wing nuts, and 1 Gerber Elongated Undermount Soft Close Toilet Seat. You'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver or socket wrench. Now, start by attaching the rubber pads to the underside of the hinge cover. Place the seat on the toilet bowl so that the holes in the hinge cover and the holes on the toilet bowl align. Insert the metal washers into the hole on the hinge cover. Insert the screws into the screw holes. Make sure the seat is properly aligned. Then, screw on the wing nuts until tight. Holding a wing nut with one hand, tighten the plastic screws with your screwdriver or wrench. Finally, close the hinge covers. If you have any questions, Gerber's dedicated customer care team is ready to help. Please visit gerber-us.com/support to view contact information and hours of service. Your tried and true elongated undermount Gerber soft close toilet seat is ready to use. Thanks for going with Gerber.